Crude oil takes a nosedive in the early hours of Monday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The light sweet crude or West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has fallen fairly significantly in the early hours of Monday, but keep in mind it's also Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, so it does make a certain amount of sense that the markets might be sluggish because they are only open for part of the day, and of course, a lot of volume is missing, especially in the United States. So, with that being said, a little bit of a pullback makes a certain amount of sense, and it's possible that we could see this market drop towards the 200-day EMA right around the $74 level. The 50-day EMA is racing towards that area as well, so it does suggest that we could get a little bit of a golden cross, but really, at this point in time, I think we probably bounce before we get anywhere near any of that. After all, inflation is picking up, and we are looking at more demand coming from around the world, but we may have gotten a bit ahead of ourselves. Brent markets look very much the same as they are hanging around and looking to perhaps break down below the $80 level. With that being the case, the market reaching down to the 200-day EMA is a very real possibility near the $78 level. All things being equal, this is a market that I think can continue to be a bit of a buyer, finding value on these dips as it looks like we are trying to do everything we can to pick up the pressure to break above the $82 level. I think we will eventually, but it also would not surprise me at all if we need to pull back a little bit in order to find some type of traction. Ultimately, I have no interest in shorting crude oil at this point, and that goes for both the CL and BZ contracts. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.